Hi, I'm Elizabeth Hill-Scott from Britpolitics.co.uk. Let's get started. So first off, we have what is better known as the attack by the Spanish Armada against the fleet of Queen Elizabeth I. Philip II, king of a very powerful Spain, had been married to Elizabeth's Catholic half-sister, Mary. When Elizabeth came to the throne, she returned England to a Protestant country. This, along with the refusal to marry him, Francis Drake robbing their treasure, and the execution of Mary Queen of Scots, angered the king so much he wanted to invade and take England for himself. The infamous Spanish Armada was made up of 130 ships. They sailed to the Netherlands to pick up the Spanish army before heading towards England. But they were easily spotted, so the English fleet could mobilise and send fire ships as they sailed past Calais. But the turning point came at the Battle of Gravelines. The English attacked once again, but were much more successful in their smaller ships as the Spanish Armada battled the strong currents of the North Sea. The damages inflicted at the Battle of Gravelines sent what was left of the Armada north. For any hope of getting home, they had to sail all the way around Scotland and the west coast of Ireland. Many more ships were lost in storms. Addressing her troops at Tilbury, Elizabeth I said, "I know I have the body of a weak and feeble woman, but I have the heart and stomach of a king, and a king of England too." Spain never invaded England, and Queen Elizabeth I's strength in the face of its possibility secured her crown. Thanks for watching, and if you take a look at Britpolitics.co.uk, you'll find hundreds of resources to help you learn about British politics and history. Plus, I cover writing, revision, motivation and exam tips. There's lots of links in the description below, and you can mostly find me on Instagram at Elizabeth_Britpolitics. Don't forget to subscribe on the way out. Bye for now.